my mind to another place. When it's sun down, show me where.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, I'm taking you guys throughout my day in the life. So it is currently 6:25 a.m. I woke up at 6 a.m. and now I'm heading to the gym right now. I gotta be there at 6:30 and I live like 4 minutes away from the gym. So I'm gonna head to the gym right now. Well, I just got to Lifetime right there. And I wanna tell you guys that the cars that come here are pretty nice. They're pretty nice. So today, of course, I took the Lamborghini here, and then my boy, who comes to match with us every single day, he comes to the gym with us every day, brought his Lamborghini, which this one's actually sick. It's a matte black spec Lamborghini Technica, which is actually fire. Congrats to him. He's only 18 years old and he was able to achieve that. So congrats to him. But yeah, we're gonna go inside, hit our quick workout, and then off to church we go. So I'll pick you guys up probably when I'm at church to show you guys around. So, see you guys. Alright, so we both just finished the gym. Not both, it was about a group of 4 of us. So we all went to the gym, we all worked out, 6:30 a.m. Now it is 7:48 a.m. and we're on the way to church, all 4 of us. And yeah, this is what we're looking at right now. So obviously, I'm in the Lamb, and then my boy's in his Lamb, and then the Hummer in front of us is with us, and then there's a G-Wagon. And right now we're just going for a little cruise. I have a lot of work, a lot of meetings to handle, so I'll bring you guys with me. I don't know if I'm gonna bring this camera. I'm probably just gonna bring my phone and then make a recording on my phone alone like that. But yeah. We just got to church. My boy just pulled up in his Lambo, in the Hummer, and then we have another one that's in a G-Wagon. So I'm trying to surround myself with like-minded people who want to push and get to their goals like how I want to be. We're gonna go to church, and I'll pick you guys up when I'm at the cafe. So we just finished church right now, and they're all going to work, like their offices, space, wherever they're going to, that's where they're going. But right now, obviously, I'm going to the coffee shop. So it's only about like a minute drive away from here. So I'm gonna go there and probably do some work for about 5 hours, 4 hours, as much work as I can before I get tired. Just got to the cafe shop. It's called Cafe Origin. I don't know if you guys can see it, but now I'm here, and it is about 8:50. I have to hop on a call at 9 a.m. 10 minutes I have a call. And then after to do a lot of deep work for one of my stores and 2 of my companies. A software company and an educational company. So that's how much work I have, and I probably won't be done on one. So I also have my work right outside, and then I also have the Lambo parked up right in front of me. So it's kind of a cool view that I have. I'm getting looks just because it's weird because I have a big camera. And actually also I used to be recording on a DJI Osmo, but now I switched onto a actual camera. So let me know what you guys think about this.
Watch you move like that, watch you move like that, got me spinning around the sun, I can't choose my past.
So I just finished majority of my work at the cafe shop. So it is, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's 1:25 p.m. So I was there for a good amount of time. Like I said, I was gonna be there probably till 2, but I'm actually very thirsty, so I left the cafe shop and now I'm going to the gas station to give me a water, and I have to be somewhere at 2:30. So I'm debating if I go to another cafe shop during the meantime, which is about 30 to like 40 minutes, maybe I can be there for, or I could just go to where I'm at earlier and just maybe do some work in my car. I can pull up my computer and just be the same thing. Plus it's very hot outside, so it's like 86 degrees, so I was burning. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the gas station, get me a drink. After the meeting that I'm going to right now, I'm thinking I might just go to the mall just because I have to go shopping for a couple of shirts. I wanna go for like polos because I have a party, you can say on Thursday night, so I wanna go shopping and find some clothes for that day. It's a whiteout party, so I'm like, you know what? I don't have too many white clothes, so I was like, why don't I just go buy some? So I think we're gonna go to Zara or maybe a few other places to check out what they have, and if I find something I like, I'm gonna buy it. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. After my meeting, I think I might go eat first and then we'll go to the mall. So I'll take you guys up, which one I do first. So I just pulled up at Sushi Samurai right now. I am eating a crab salad right now, but I also ordered a spicy California roll fried, because I don't really like the raw food, so I either get fried. So I ordered that, and then while I'm here, I'm actually just getting some work in. So instead of going to that coffee shop, I think I'm just gonna do some work here while I eat. It's a pretty nice place. Like, sometimes it's dead, but sometimes it gets very busy, but I honestly enjoy eating by myself. So I just got to the mall. I'm not sure where the place is that I need to go to, but we just valeted the Lambo. Now I'm on the way to Zara. Damn, I don't know why you guys can't see me. Now I'm on the way to Zara and Boss to see if they got some white polo shirts. So I might check out some other locations, but yeah, we're gonna see. I went shopping. Yeah, I got me a few of these clothes. I got me like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 polos. No, about like 5 polos and 2 t-shirts. So I don't know, I got mainly white, gray, black. So we'll go ahead and cash out. Alright, so we just went to Nordstrom and I got a pair of on-cloud shoes just because I was in need of these shoes. So if you look at my shoes, they're all beat up right now, and I haven't gotten new pairs of gym shoes in months, so I just assumed it's time. So I just got me a new pair of shoes, and now I'm heading to a coffee shop to finish up my meeting. So I'll talk to you guys later. Before I go to that cafe shop, I'm actually thirsty, so pull up to the gas station, and this is like the best water, but I want a Saratoga. There it is. Still perfect. So that's what I'm gonna do. Pulled up to Matari, and I have about, what time is it? 17 minutes until my next meeting happens. So I'm gonna go in there, do some work, grind out for another 20 more minutes, and then hop on that last meeting, and then most likely do something fun. So I'll see you guys in there. Maybe I might go in there and buy something too while I'm at it, but I don't know. I'll pick up the camera when I'm in there. I left the mall now, like I said, but we got the Lambo right here in a empty parking lot. So I was like, you know, what's not a great idea to bring the Lambo into this empty parking lot and create more content. So I already created 3 shorts to post on my TikTok, Instagram, or whatever you want to call it, on any social media. That's what I did. But I need ideas. So I know the best thing for content is be yourself, be organic, do how you want to do it. Don't just follow a script, or don't even listen to ChatGPT. A lot of people listen to ChatGPT. I did too in the beginning, and it really decreased my views because ChatGPT doesn't really know anything. But if you just be yourself, you can achieve anything you want. You have to stay out of that comfort zone. Like when I went to the mall today, I'm able to hold up the camera, even though, yes, there are a lot of people going to look at you, which a lot of people did. But I'm out of my comfort zone where I can pull this out and still laugh, say anything I want, and not get ashamed, scared, or worried about what the person's gonna say about me. Because my mindset is, don't worry about what people are gonna say. I don't know, that was some like real talk. I didn't really know what to say, so that's what came to my head. Just be yourself, don't listen to other people, do what you want to do what you love most, and you'll be able to achieve anything you put your mind towards. Even when people say you're not gonna do it, you're always gonna do it. I'm gonna end the video off here. Let me know if you guys actually enjoyed this kind of realistic day in the life. It's something you don't see too much often. I worked for about 6-7 hours of the day. I had 3 meetings. I had a lot of stuff to do, and yeah, and then I went shopping to the mall. So it's kind of a realistic, boring day in the life, but I guess that's just realistic, so that's what happens. But let me know if you guys kind of like this kind of content. I know I'm not using the DJI like I always do. I'm actually using the ZV-E10 Mach 2 Sony camera. So let me know if you guys like that. And I'm going to chill with my boys. They have their fantasy draft today. I'm not in it because I'm not really a sports betting person. So they put money up in there, but I'm not really a gambling man, nor do I know much about football. So I don't really just want to throw money in there when I already know I'm not gonna win. Let me know if you guys like this kind of style of content, me holding the camera instead of, you know, the Osmo. Let me know. I'm gonna go chill with my boys, so hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Always remember that God can get you in these places. Nobody else can but God. So if it wasn't for God, I would never have any of these things, know my friends, nothing. So all praise to God. Like I said, I go to church every single day in the morning. I highly recommend starting your day off with church. and the gym. It really sets the mood for your whole entire day. So recommend you guys try it and have a great rest of your day. Love you guys.